Glute bridges are amazing for building core strength, stability, and of course, glute strength. All of that is our core functioning capability. And whatever stage you're at postpartum, this one is going to be a great one for you to build up your strength again. So just notice the breathing cues and technique to make sure that you are doing it that suits your body. Now, I actually learned that if you lift your toes and move your feet a little bit further down the mat, we find that we can activate our glutes and our hamstrings better. Our pelvic floor takes less load. We're able to get into that better position, and it flags any areas that we have been using rather than using the right muscles, if that makes sense. So it gives us an idea of where our weaker areas are. So hip distance apart with our legs, lifting our toes, feet slightly further away from our bum, and relaxing the shoulders down. We're going to do a few of these pelvic tilts first. If you haven't seen the pelvic tilt video, please go and watch that. And then as you pivot that pelvis, you're going to breathe out and come up, squeezing the bum at the top and down. You can do that pelvic tilt again if you need to reset. I'm trying to show you as you flatten. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Here you can actually, for me, I'm hypermobile, so I can go higher into this bridge. You see what that does to my back? It starts arching. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Thinking of that in your mind, we really want to activate your glutes without aggravating your lower back. So if you are someone who feels glute bridges in your quads and someone who feels it in their lower back more, these cues are key for you. Feet further away so you can get the backs of those legs, and then pivot that pelvis to come up into a bridge without over extending. Hit that like button if your glutes felt something today, and subscribe so we can keep healing together, one awkward movement at a time.